Hey friends, it's the Junk Man back with another exciting episode of estate sale shopping. It's really wet, gray this morning. Should be too many people out and about, so the competition should be way down, which makes it good for me. I'll be back in a minute to show you what I bought. So here's everything from the first estate sale. I got this small Afghan, and don't sleep on these. This is handmade, probably for a baby. A jean jacket, Harley Davidson logo, complete. Needs a little cleaning up, but then again, you're getting a bargain because if it needs cleaning, people normally charge less for something like this. A couple things from Radio Shack, a realistic weather radio. I think I need to find the power source for that. Another radio, this is a instant weather alert from GE. Here's another Radio Shack realistic. Plug and talk, 2-station FM wireless intercom. I got this whole box of stuff here. Flag holders, some screws, a couple old screwdrivers, sort of fuses. She charged me a whole $1. Most likely this will be personal use. Although that Craftsman, I can probably turn it in to Lowe's now. You can go to Lowe's and turn in your old Craftsman and get a new one for free. This tropical candle, hardly even used, from Candlelight. This looks interesting. It's an old, some kind of a board game. Well, call it a board game, more of an action game. Bop, Bop, and Rebop from Hasbro. I checked the date and it was 1979 on that thing. Haven't checked it out to see if everything is there, but at worst, it should be good for parts for somebody because this is going on almost 50 years when it was first released. And I also got this old RCA Victor. It's a clock radio, AM, FM. And I checked the back, and actually it said to service tubes. So this is for sure vintage. I don't know if it's Bakelite. I'm going to have to check that out. I also scored this Black & Decker cordless weed whacker. I got it charging now. See if the battery's going to take a charge and hold that. But I only wanted $2 for this. And I also picked up, not pictured, a ladies' Schwinn bicycle, probably late 50s, early 60s, which they wanted $3 for. So all in all, for everything here, I paid $15. Then on my way home, I stopped to one of my friend's shops, and he does bicycle repair and sells custom bikes and vintage bikes, and he actually bought the bike off me for $20. So basically everything I got here was free with a couple bucks to boot. So that's all for this one. I'll be back in a minute to show you what I found at the second one.
I love you, BOLO. Love you. Love you. I love you. I love you.
The second sale was not as fruitful as the first sale, but it was family run, so the prices were quite reasonable. I got the Willows in Winter VHS tape for 50 cents. This is something I recommend as a BOLO, especially if it's on the DVD side. These can be worth quite a bit, especially if the first tape is with it, Wind in the Willows and the Willows in Winter together. It's worth a bit of bucks. Couple of McDonald's Beanie Babies. That's the Stegosaurus. And I got Spangle the Bear, and you can see they're new, sealed with the original packaging. I got these Tool bookend bears. They look kind of interesting. Looks like Grandma and Grandpa. He's got a book under his hand. And I found this nice collection of cars. She said if I took a bunch, she'd give me a deal, so I ended up grabbing 10 for $1. This one here is an actual Tonka Corporation. A couple of them are no-name, but they look interesting, and every one of these is a Hot Wheels model. So, Speedsters, has a truck, a couple hot rods, like a NASCAR one, and an emergency vehicle. So not a huge haul, but I was down in the area. Figured I'd stop and take a look, and able to pick up all this for $6.50. That's all for this episode. Please hit the like button very gently. Or better yet, hit like and subscribe. That'd be even better. Help to grow my channel and get me on the ball to produce more content for you guys. I'm trying to help with your online selling, to show you what it actually is selling and what is worth some money. So until next time, this is the Junk Man signing off. Thank you for watching. I hope to do better next time.